Hello, welcome to the Cartlock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll explain the product's quantity condition in our Cartlock app. Open the Cartlock app. First, go ahead and click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Now, from the list that appears, choose the product's quantity option. Here, block if less than sets the minimum quantity allowed, anything less will be blocked. And block if more than sets the maximum allowed. Anything more will be blocked. Remember, you can't use block if less than and block if more than at the same time. We will enter 3 in the block if less than field, so the customer's order will be blocked if the quantity of any product is less than 3. Now, you'll need to give your rule a name. The name is just for internal use. Next, set a proper message. Customers will see this message when the rule is triggered, so make it simple and useful. Click the Save button to apply your rule. That's it, your rule is now set. Now let's add some products to the cart. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message we set in the rule is visible, and the order is blocked because the quantity of one or more products is less than 3. Now, let's increase the quantity of each item to 3 or more. Again, let's head over to the checkout page and take a look. As expected, you'll now see that the error message is gone because we have met the minimum quantity requirement of 3 for each item. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cartlock app. Happy selling!